Never wait for a perfect moment. Never wait for a perfect moment. Just take a moment and make it perfect. Very, very good morning, my dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav, your English educator. Today, I hope you all are good and you have completed your work. Today, I am going to teach you about noun, the number of noun. Do you know the next part of the noun? That will be the number of noun. Today we will discuss about the number of noun. Do you know, student, what is the number of noun? Today we are going to discuss about the number of noun. Do you know what is the number of noun? Do you know the meaning of number? That will be count. That will be count. You know, in this way we have to identify in the sentence what number is going to retain or going to be spoken in the sentence. So we have to know with the help of the number of noun. So you know what is a number of noun? A word which explains the thing, a person, is one or more than one. Is one or more than one, that will be called a number of noun. So today we are going to discuss singular number and plural number. You know, singular number and plural number, that will be the number of count, a number of noun, you can say that. So we are going to start noun number. You can write it a word explains the person, or the thing, is one or more than one. Is called number of noun, a number noun. So in this way you can say that a word explain the person or the thing is one or more than one. More than one is called number of noun. So in this way we have to try to know the number of noun in the sentence. In the given sentence, one number or one more than number. If we say that it is divided into two parts, you can say that it is divided into singular or plural. We have to identify what is singular and what is plural. First we have to know the number in the sentence. What is that? One or one more than. So in this way we have to study first singular number. What is singular number? Singular means single, that will be one. It refers to one. And plural means plus one, means more than one, that will be called plural. In this way it is called plural number. So singular, a noun which denotes, you know, a noun which denotes one, the thing or the one person, will be called singular number. Suppose you are saying that boy is crying. That boy, he is one boy. He is one boy boy is crying. So here the boy means the noun has one number, that will be called number, but it is called singular number. You can count it, the boy, that boy is crying, only one boy. If there is one plus boy, one more than boy, you can say that those boys are crying. Suppose the boy has numbers of boys. So in this way you have to just use those, not that. Then it is called boys. Boys will be plural, are crying. So in this way we have to identify the number. In the sentence, singular number or plural number. So now we have to move some steps we have to learn by which we can make any singular number into plural number. So first you have to write down it and make yourself your ideas to identify the things surrounding you. You are watching that, what is that? That is singular or plural. Just note it. I hope students you have noted it. Now we are going to move the steps or some rules we have to follow. By using that we have to know that from one singular number to you have to make the plural number, how you have to learn it. Just note down. The first step will be, first you have to write here rules for making plural from singular number. Rules for making plural from singular number. You can say that. So from singular to plural, we have to try to just make it. How we can make it? There are some steps we have to follow only. So first steps will be the by adding as at the end of noun. We can say that by adding as at the end of the noun. At the end of the noun, if there is a singular number, you can say that at the end of a singular number, of a singular noun. So by adding as at the end of a singular noun, suppose here is written bag, here is written books, book, we have to make it books by adding s, and we can make it bags. You can say that pen, it will be pens, you know. Next you can say that table, it will be tables, it will be tables. So here is the bag, pen, book and table. These four are singular noun, but we have to make it by using as, by using at the end of it there is as, and then we can make it plural. In this way it is very simple to know. It is the first step, you have to follow it, and with the help of your exercises you have to do more thing. Understand? I hope you all are getting my point. Very good. Note down it. Now when we talk about the next step of this, it will be next step of this, it will be by adding es, by adding es to a noun, with a noun ends with s, double s, sh, you can say that, by adding es when a singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, you can say that more of that, ch, x. When a singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch and x, that time, in that condition, we have to make here es. We have to make here es. Some example you can say that, glass. Suppose here is glass. You have to make it by using it glasses. Can you make it? Very good. I hope you have done it. You have already studied about it. So today what we are studying, what we are discussing about it, you have to only make it and just identify in the sentence what is singular and what is plural number. And you have to also make it, suppose here one singular, as it a singular noun ends with a singular s, you can say that bus. Suppose here is written bus, you can make it into buses, you can make it into buses, or you can say that bench, it will be benches. You are watching here ch at the end of this and you are using es, so bench, it will be benches, you know. And then you can make, suppose you are making any dish, it will be dishes, okay, this, it will be dishes. So in this way you can make it. One more thing, that will be x. If a singular noun ends with a x, suppose you are saying that tax, it will be taxes. So whenever you are watching this kind of sentence where a singular noun ends sorry, this type of word, not sentence, I am talking about a singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch and x. So glass, it will be glasses by using es at the end of the word, and bus, it will be buses, bench, it will be benches, dish, dishes and tax, taxes. It is the second step you have to follow to make a singular into plural. I hope you understood about it. Write down. You have to make a more example of this in your notebook. Note down it. Are you getting enjoy? Very good. Your online classes is going on very good, well, and you are watching this kind of, just you are watching and learning from your home. Just note down it. Our next step will be of this. You have to write I hope you have done it. Next step of this, if a singular number noun contains y in the at the end of the, if a singular number noun contains ends with y, you can say that. Third, if a singular noun contains y at the end. If a singular noun contains y at the end, a consonant is placed before y, then you have to change into and a consonant placed before y. Add IES, then you can add IES. A singular number, if a singular number contains y at the end and a consonant placed before y, so add IES. You can say that, you can use here IES, consonant. So how can you make it? Suppose if there is a verb, if there is a singular noun, there will be at the end of that word there will be y, and you have to make it. If there is consonant, do you know, student, what is consonant, what is vowel? You have already known about it. Vowel and consonant, 5 vowel and 21 consonant, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and left are 21 out of 26. It will be called consonant. Okay, students. So in this way you have to find out if there is consonant before y, then you have to use IES. IES. Suppose you are making, suppose he has written city. Suppose there is fly. Fly, it is not verb, it is suppose fly. Housefly, you can say that. You can make it flies. And here is cities. You are watching this. Before Y it is T. T is consonant. Before Y it is L. It is also consonant. So in this way you can make IES at the end of this by removing Y. Then it will be called city is a singular noun, but cities it will be plural noun. Fly singular, flies plural. In this way you can make more example of this. Suppose you are in your family. Family is also word. Family. Family you are watching. Y before L. You can make it families. You can make it families. Clear? I hope you understood about it. So note down this third step of this. With the help of steps, some rules, you can make it easily. Note down, students. Okay, I hope you have done it. So we have to also make a more rule of this. If a singular noun contains Y at the end and a not consonant, this time I am talking about vowel. Vowel at the end and a vowel placed before Y. So what can you write here? S is added. S is added. You can make, suppose, boy. Boy, it is Y at the end of, and then before it here is O, that will be vowel. Then you can make it boys. Toy, you can make it twice. Are you watching this? In this way you can make it easily. You have to only watch if there is Y at the end of a singular noun, before Y, if there is consonant, there will be IES at the end of. If there is vowel, there will be only S. In this way you can make it easily. Note down, and you have to also make your own ideas, make your word, as well as you have to write with the help of exercise of your book. So after this we have some more rules. You have to follow it, and then you have to do at your copy. I hope you have done it. So next step will be some singular noun can be changed into plural. If there are some singular nouns, you can make it into plural by changing their internal vowels. You have to follow it. You have to make it just as a fourth step of this, you can say that not fourth, yes, fourth step of this, if there is singular noun change into plural by changing its internal vowel. You have to just change in its internal vowel. Suppose there are some words, but we have to see in that words in the middle, in the internal I am talking about. Suppose here man, woman. We are changing vowel. This vowel A is vowel and we are converting into men. In this way it will be plural, and woman will be women. So you can make it into plural. So in this way, if there is this kind of word you are watching or you are going to write, just note it by changing the internal vowel of this. So write down of this. It's fourth step of how to make from singular to plural. Just note down it. And after this we have last step of this, that will be fifth step. I hope you have done it. Just note down the next step of this, that will be you have to change into plural. Some nouns can be changed from singular to plural by changing its F A F E. So you have to make it F A F E. You have to make it into plural with converting into VES. Into VES you can change it. We can see some words are there that ends with FE. It will be changed into FES. So you can make it, suppose thief, you can make it thieves. Thief is one ending with F, it will be called thieves when you are making it to from singular to plural. Just note down it. Suppose wife, here is F but here is FE. You are watching FE and you have to change into VES. It will be wives. Okay, just note down. It is the last step of this. In this step we have to know something more, that will be if there is compound noun. Write down first it. If there is compound noun, you have to change it from singular to plural by using s to the principal word. Okay, it is so simple to know. You can say that if there is compound noun, you have to see there is compound noun, only you have to change it to by adding s to the principal noun. Suppose here is you can say that suppose you are watching that any commander of chief, or you can say that man servant, so here is principal noun, it is man, principal noun, it is commander of chief. So commander of chief, you can make it, you can convert into. So how can you convert it? Suppose you are saying that main servant, just I told you about it, main, it will be man, man will be main, I just told you about it, and commander, it will be commanders of chief.